Hey guys, Alex coming to you here with a quick unboxing and overview of the Spigen PowerArc ArcField wireless charger. This is a Qi-enabled wireless charger from Spigen. It maxes out at 15 watts of power output. So let me jump right in, give you a quick overview of what we have here. So on the front we have, the product name, photo of the item, 15 watts of power output, air boost technology, which basically means that the charger intelligently adapts the wattage output depending on the device and what kind of max wattage the device is compatible with. So turning to the back, we have a quick overview of the features here. Comes with a 2-year warranty, which is great. Includes a 6.6 foot or 2 meter cable in the box. Has a non-slip rubber pad on the bottom. Intelligent safety features to protect from overvoltage, things of that nature. And like I explained, the air boost intelligent switching technology as well. So yeah, let's jump right in, see what we have here. So we have a few booklets. And other pieces of info here. Then we have our 6.6 foot USB-C cable included in the box with USB-C on both ends. Doesn't include a charging brick, of course, so you'd have to supply that yourself. And now to the charger itself. Really nice design. We have a LED indicator light on the front, Spigen logo on top, non-slip rubber pad on the bottom with some of our charging specs. And on the back we have our USB-C port. So I have a USB-C cable nearby already, and I'll plug that in and show you guys how this works. So we have our indicator light lights up in green, and now it turns off until we plop a device on there. So the first thing we can try is an iPhone. We'll turn this around here a little bit. And we'll see it activates and begins to charge. Next, we'll try some AirPods Pros. Same thing. Activates and proceeds to charge. So yeah, overall, really nice looking product. I love the gunmetal gray finish. Looks to be pretty high quality. And yeah, I like it a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.